Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Okay. So today we'll start with percentage and profit and loss. Okay. So first I'm going to explain you the theory part of both the chapters together, and then we'll start solving the problems. Okay. So I think everyone has the worksheet with them because I had already shared it with you all in the group. So this is the sign for percentage. Okay. Everyone knows this. Now what is percentage? Anything out of 100. So it is out of 100. That is called as percentage. So let's say we talk about your school marks. Okay. So let's say the paper is out of 50. Okay. There are 5 papers. So okay, English, math, science, all these subjects. We'll find out how to calculate your percentage. So let's say this is maths, science, English, social science, and Hindi. Okay. So in maths, you scored 45. Here you scored 40. Here you scored, let's say, 38. In social science, you scored 46. And here you scored 36 on 50. So what is your total percentage? We'll have to find out. Okay. So total percentage कैसे find out करेंगे अभी हम? Total marks scored by you. Okay. Upon total marks, total marks. Okay. That's it. Multiplied by 100. अभी टोटल मार्क्स कौन से है? आउट ऑफ जो था हमारा वो वाले टोटल मार्क्स. तो टोटल कितना हो गया? 1 2 3 4 5 250. करेक्ट. तो इन द डिनोमिनेटर वी हैव 250. इन द न्यूमरेटर आर टोटल मार्क्स. सो अभी ये ऐड करो. सो 40 प्लस 40 सॉरी 40 प्लस 45 85. 85 प्लस this one. What is the total coming out to be? 38 plus 36 plus 46
So
plus
205.
correct. So 205. Okay. In 200. Please be on mute, students. So 5 into 41, 5 into 50, 50 into 1, 50 into 2. So total comes out to be 41 into 2, 82%. So understood how we calculate your percentage? Is it clear, everyone? Students, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is just the basics. Okay. Now, generally the sums is like 4% of, let's say, 60. So how to find out? Now the value of percentage is given. So here denominator will come in the, sorry, 100 will come in the denominator. Okay. Here we had to find out the percentage. So numerator, 100 was in numerator. Here percentage value is already given. So we need to find out. So क्या हो जाएगा? 0 0 cancel. It comes out to be 24 upon 10, which is equal to 2.4. Understood? So 4% of 60 is how much? 2.4. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, sometimes they give you like 17% of, let's say, 50. Okay. So what you'll do, 17 into 50 upon 100. So 50 into 1, 50 into 2, 17 divided by 2 is 8.5. Now
8.5.
remember, percentage is reversible. Reversible मतलब कि अगर आपको 17% of 50 निकालने नहीं आता है तो आप 50% of 70 निकाल सकते हो. It will come out to be same because finally we are going to multiply, correct? And multiplication can be order can be changed. It doesn't matter, right? So 50 into 17 upon 100 will give you the same answer as 8.5. So percentage can be reversible. So instead of finding one way, you can go the other way also, because 50% of anything is very easy. Is this clear, everyone? Students, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
इसको अगर नोट डाउन करना है तो आप कर लीजिए.
Sir, can you go to the previous slide for 1 minute? I want to take screenshot. Yes, sir. Done.
Done, students? Okay. Now there are some shortcut ways to find out. So let's say 1% of any number you need to find out. Okay. So whatever the number is given, you will divide it by 100. Okay. Divide the number by 100. Is this clear? So let's say they've asked you 1% of 420. So इसको आप क्या करोगे? 420 into 1 upon 100, which comes out to be 4.2. And on the right hand side I have written this, divide the number by 100. So 420 को directly आप 100 से divide करोगे तब भी आपको आंसर सेम आएगा. Is this clear? Now let's take 5% of any number. So what you will do is divide the number by 20. 5% of 60. So according to working what it will be, 5 into 60 upon 100, which gives you 3 as the answer. And shortcut is 60 divided by 20, you get 3 as the answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So those who
Sir,
want,
why 20%?
no, it's not 20%. It is just dividing the number by 20. We are not finding out percentage here. अगर 5% any number बोला है, 20 क्यों हो रहा है? ध्यान, 5 into 1, 5 into 20, 60 divided by 20 आ रहा है. इसीलिए आप directly 20 से कोई number को divide करोगे तो उसका 5% मिलेगा. यहाँ पर 100 से divide क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि 1 into 100 is 100. Understood? So direct we get 420 upon 100.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now let's take 10% of any number. So you will divide the number by 10.
Adi.
Please be on mute. Okay. So 10% of 460. Here also we have.
46.
तो क्या करेंगे? 10 into 460 upon 100. So 2 zeros will get cancelled out. You get 46. So if we directly divide 460 by 10, we get 46. Understood? 25% of any number, divide the number by got it? So 25% of, let's say, 500. So answer होएगा 25 into 500 upon 100, which is 125. और 500 को आप डायरेक्टली 4 से डिवाइड करोगे तब भी आपको आंसर आएगा 125. Got it, students?
Yes, sir.
सर एक बार आप थर्ड दिखा सकते हो क्या?
What? Previous slide?
यस सर. ओके सर, थैंक यू सर. डन सर.
Has everyone understood this method?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm not giving you example for this, okay? So just remember 50% of any number find out करना है तो divide the number by 2. Let's say we want to find out 60% of 350. So there are two methods to solve this, okay? So first one is general, आप जो multiply करके find out करोगे. Okay, so divide by 100, 0, 0 cancel out. So you get 180 plus 30, 210. Correct? Other way is, which you can do it mentally, okay? So instead of doing all this, what is 10% of any number? What is 10% of any number? अभी हमने यहाँ पर लिखा है. You divide the number by 10.
Divide
By
by
You
10.
can divide 350 by 10 in your mind. So you'll get the answer as 35. Now what you have to find out 60%, correct? So 60% is what? 10% multiplied by 6. So 10% का जो भी वैल्यू आएगा उसको आप 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. तो 35 into 6, 210. अगर आपको 10% से easier है, correct? To find out because 60 is multiple of 10. So 10 के जो भी multiples है 10, 20, 30, 40 आप ये मेथड से कर सकते हो. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So either ये इसके लिए आप ये भी सेम ही है बट ये और आप क्विक कर सकते हो बिकॉज माइंड में कर रहे हो आप ये. ओके
Sir, I just joined now, so what are we doing?
we have started with the explanation for percentage.
Okay.
Riddhi, please be on mute. Okay. Has everyone understood whatever I explained till now in percentage? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So explanation part for percentage is over. Now we'll solve problems. But पहले profit and loss सीख लेते हैं. So in profit and loss there are four different terms. First is CP, which is cost price. Okay, the price at which you purchase anything. Okay. Second is selling price, SP. This is the price at which you are going to sell it. Okay. Then there is profit, P. Okay. Profit is when selling price is greater than the cost price. And loss when cost price is greater than the selling price. Okay. ना प्रॉफिट कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे हम. प्रॉफिट का फॉर्मूला होता है सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस. लॉस का फॉर्मूला होता है कॉस्ट प्राइस माइनस सेलिंग प्राइस. ओके. नाउ आफ्टर दिस वी हैव प्रॉफिट परसेंट. Profit percent is calculated on profit. Okay, so first we have to check whether it is profit or not. So once you get the profit, you divide it by the cost price of the article and multiplied by 100. Okay, and for loss percent it is same. Loss divided by cost price into 100. So always remember, whether it is profit percent or loss percent, the denominator has to be the cost price only, not the selling price. Is this clear? Hey students, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
जब डिस्काउंट देते हैं, okay, so let's say a question comes that some discount is given, so you just have to find out the percentage of discount, how much it is given. So let's take 10% off on selling price. Okay, तो जो भी selling price होगा उसमें से आपको 10% सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, उसका 10% फाइंड आउट करके. तो लेट्स से 500 है सेलिंग प्राइस. सो आपका फाइनल प्राइस कितना होगा? 500 माइनस 10% of 500. 10% of 500 is how much, students?
50.
50.
50.
Final price क्या हो गया? 500 minus 50, which is 450. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, प्रिया, क्या डाउट है बोलो.
Sir, is there any difference between marked price and selling price?
Yes, there is. Okay, so now let's say there's a jeans of some Levi's company. Okay, so marked price मतलब क्या होगा? जो उसके टैग पे लिखा है. Let's say the tagged price is 4,000. Okay, now some sale is going on due to New Year. Okay, तो सेल में उन्होंने लिखा है कि 15% ऑफ. तो ये मार्क्ड प्राइस है जो लिखा हुआ है. अभी सेलिंग प्राइस क्या हो गया फाइनल? 4,000 माइनस 15%. तो जो भी ये प्राइस आएगा वो आपका सेलिंग प्राइस हो गया. तो दैट्स द डिफरेंस कि ये मार्क प्राइस क्या है जो आपको पहले दिखाया जा रहा है प्राइस. उसके बाद अगर डिस्काउंट दे रहे हैं या कुछ रीजन के कारण प्राइस कम किया है, तो दैट विल बी द सेलिंग प्राइस फॉर दैट पर्सन. अंडरस्टूड?
So
Okay.
so the latest price on which you are selling the item is the selling price.
See, whatever you are going to pay to purchase something is the selling price for the
Yeah,
other
is the
person,
selling price.
and for you it is the cost price of that article.
Got it.
Understood? समझ में आ गया चैप्टर का कंसेप्ट आपको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट करते हैं सॉल्व करना. ओके, so at that time we'll understand what type or what more we need to learn about that chapter. Okay, so this is from the percentage worksheet. First question. two numbers are respectively 20% and 50% more than the third number, the ratio of the two number is how much? So let the third number be 100. Okay. Why we are taking 100? It is easier for calculation. Okay. So one number is 20% more. तो कितना हो गया वो नंबर? 100 plus 20% of 100. 20% of 100 कितना होगा? 20. So the
20.
final number is 100 plus 20, which is 120. Okay. Next number is 50% more than 100. Okay. So 50% more मतलब 100 plus 50% of 100. 50% of 100 is how much? 50. So 100 plus 50, 150. अभी इन दो नंबर्स का हमें रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना है. रेशियो सीखा है सबने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
50 upon 150 करेंगे तो हमें आंसर आएगा 30 into 4, 30 into 5. सो फाइनल आंसर क्या हो गया? 4:5.
4:5.
अंडरस्टूड? Understood, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We are not going very fast, right? If anyone has any issues in the speed of teaching, let me know. And students, in February or March, sometime I'll ask you to attend extra lectures on Sundays, okay? So those who get time, they can attend the extra lecture also.
Okay,
I'll
sir.
just confirm it, whether if
Okay,
we
sir.
have any lectures or not, but whenever it is possible, I'll ask you to join. That will be problem solving session only. So I'll explain in our class and then problem solving can be done there if we have less time. Has everyone finished writing this solution?
Yes, sir.
1 second, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute.
Sir, just now you started solving worksheet sums.
Yes, correct.
Okay, sir. Still now you are solving homework
I didn't,
sums.
no, I didn't solve. I was just explaining them about the chapter.
Okay, sir.
A fruit seller sells 40% of the apples and he had 420 apples left. Okay. How many apples did he sell? So let's take total is X. 40% is sold. How much is remaining? 60%.
60%.
So this 60% of X, okay, is equal to 420. So matlab X into 60 upon 100 is equal to 420. So now we have learned equations for, or basically you know this thing, okay? 100 will go and multiply on the other side, 60 will come and divide. So X is equal to 420 into 100 upon 60. So 60 into 1, 60 into 7. So total number of apples कितने थे? 700. Okay. Understood. Now how much is sold? 40% is sold. So 40 into 700 upon 100. So how many apples are sold in all? 280 apples.
Sir, we can just subtract 700
Yes.
minus
420
420.
minus 700. Correct. 280 आपको मिलेगा. Understood everyone?
Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, my network went for a second. Sir, can you explain this sum again?
40% apples is sold, 60% is remaining. That means correct. So 60% of the total apple is 420. So by calculating, we got that total number of apples was 700. Now there are two ways. Either you solve 700 minus 420, which gives you 280, or you find out 40% of 700, which is 280. So how many apples are sold? 280 apples are sold. Understood?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 3. In an exam, you require 60% marks to pass, okay? 60% of total to pass the exam. Now you have scored how much? 82 marks. But you have failed by how many marks? 44 marks. So passing marks कितना हो गया? 82 plus
126.
44. So total comes out to be 126. Correct?
126.
This is the passing marks. Now passing percentage कितना है? 60%. That means 60% of x is equal to 126. We need to find out the total marks. Okay, maximum marks matlab total marks, correct? Because you can score full also. So x is equal to 126 into 100 divided by 60. So 0, 0 cancels. 6 into 1, 6 into 21. So total number of marks कितने हो गए? 210. So what is your answer? Maximum marks or the total marks is how much? 210. Yes, Amol, Polo.
Sir, can you explain the part of how you got the passing marks?
जब 82 मार्क्स आपको मिला है एंड यू फेल्ड बाय 44 मार्क्स, करेक्ट? तो
अच्छा,
पासिंग
ओके
मार्क्स
सर,
कितना होगा? 82 प्लस 44.
ओके सर.
दीक्षिता, व्हाट इज योर डाउट?
Sir, I want to ask that have you sent it the worksheet of this chapter?
Yeah, on the group. Are you there on the group?
I am there, but I have not received it. So can you send it again?
Okay. I
Thank
sent
you,
it
sir.
before Christmas only, I think. ठीक है, I'll
Okay,
send it
thank
again.
you, sir. I'll just recheck it.
Yeah, I've sent it again. Now you can download it. Done, students, with this question. Okay, और किसको doubt है?
No,
Sir,
sir.
82
Just
is
2
the mark
minutes.
scored.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
And sir, that 60 of x is equal to 126. How that came, I just didn't understand.
यहाँ पर जैसे किया था 60% ऑफ एक्स, वैसे ही 60% ऑफ एक्स. तो क्या करोगे? 60 इंटू एक्स अपॉन 100 इज इक्वल टू 126. अभी क्या है नेक्स्ट
26.
स्टेप? 100 विल गो एंड मल्टीप्लाई, 60 विल कम एंड डिवाइड. तो डायरेक्टली मैंने लिखा 126 इंटू 100 डिवाइडेड बाई 60.
Yes, sir, understood.
So, sir, here the test is of 210 marks, right?
करेक्ट, यस.
Okay.
A batsman scored 110 runs. Okay, total runs है ये. In
Sir, could you go to the previous slide for like just a minute? Okay, done, sir. Thank you.
now he has scored 3 boundaries. 3 boundaries मतलब 3 into 4. Okay, so 3 into 4 is equal to 12. And how many 8 sixes? So 8 into 6 is 48.
48.
Total runs scored in boundaries मतलब 4 and 6 is how much? 60
60,
runs.
sir.
So remaining runs मतलब 110 minus 60, which is 50 runs, is scored by running between the wickets. Everyone knows cricket, right? Basic
Yes,
concept
sir.
of cricket का.
Yes, sir.
Running between the wickets. अभी इसके बाद उन्होंने क्या पूछा है? What percent of the score did he make by running between the wickets? तो अभी 50 है आपका टोटल स्कोर अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ रन्स कितने? 110 100. Okay, so 0 and 0 cancel, so this comes out to be 500 upon 11. Now no need to calculate in decimal, so what we'll do, we'll just calculate in fractions. Okay, so 500 को हम divide करेंगे 11 से, so 11 into 4, minus 44. You're left with 60. Okay, 5 times. So minus 55. 5 remains. Okay,
45, 5 upon 11%.
correct. 45, 5 by 11. Understood, students?
Sir, I have a doubt.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, I understood till add you get 60 runs, 12 plus 48.
Yes.
But
Then-
after that, I can't understand.
Okay. 60 runs are scored by 4s and 6s. So remaining कितने runs score किया है running between the wicket? 50. Because total
50.
runs 110 है. अभी ऐसा समझो कि ये आपका एग्जाम पेपर है. You have scored 50 marks on 110 marked paper. So how will you find the percentage? 50 upon 110 multiplied by 100. Understood?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir, I
Then
understood.
0 0 cancel 500 upon 11. उसके बाद तो बस ये डिवीजन किया है हमने.
Okay, sir. I understood. Thank you, sir.
Done.
Question number 5.
Yes.
Everyone knows area of a triangle formula is half into base
Yes, sir.
into height. Okay. Those
Yes,
who don't
sir.
know, B is base this one and height is this perpendicular height from this point or any vertex to the opposite side. Okay. अभी उन्होंने क्या किया है? They have increased the base by 25%. Okay. And height has to be reduced so that the area remains same. Now let's take the first condition that base is let's take 100. Okay, let the base be 100 because we don't know what the base is, so we'll take for easy calculation 100. Okay, and height also 100. Okay, so what will be the area? 100 into 100 divided by 2. No need to give the answer, it's okay, इतना ही लिखेंगे. अभी ये first base था हमारा, correct? This is now what has happened, base is increased. So base 2 which is increased one is how much increased? 100 plus how much they have increased, students?
25.
So 25% of 100, which is again 25 only. So new base is 125. अभी height जो है वो हमें नहीं पता है. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll write this same half into 125 into height is equal to 100 into 100 upon 2. Okay. So that the area has to be same, they have given us. So अभी 2 and 2 cancel हो जाएगा. So h is equal to 100 into 100 upon 125. 25 into 5, 25 into 4, 5 into 1, 5 into
20, sir.
20.
the new height is how much? 80. This is your new height.
80.
अभी जब ये 80 हो गया है, पहले 100 था, तो how much we have reduced?
Sir, it reduced by
20%.
20.
100
20%.
minus 20% of 100 करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा 100 minus 20 which gives you 80. Correct? So decrease by 20%. Understood?
Sir. Sir, can you explain again? My actually network was gone, so I was not able to hear.
Sir,
Okay.
I didn't understand the part, like the height which we had to find below the
First we have
base.
considered the area of triangle हमने consider किया है जिसमें base 100 है and height भी 100 है. तो फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट होगा तो 100 इंटू 100 अपॉन 2 होगा. नो नीड टू फाइंड द फाइनल आंसर. ओके. नाउ व्हाट हैज हैपेंड इन द सेकंड कंडीशन, दे हैव गिवन अस बेस इज इंक्रीजिंग बाय 25%. तो 100 में 25% हमने ऐड किया तो बेस कितना हो गया? 125। ये समझ में आया? जिनको भी डाउट है प्लीज आंसर. ओके, आई एम सॉल्विंग इट अगेन फॉर यू, सो प्लीज आंसर whether have you understood this
Understood,
part
sir.
or okay. Now they have said the area doesn't change. Okay, so if one thing is increasing, so other thing will have to decrease so that the area doesn't change with respect to the first value. Correct? अगर एरिया हमारा इतना ही आना चाहिए सेम, तो वैल्यू यहाँ हाइट कम हो जाएगा. ये समझ में आया लॉजिकली?
Yes, sir.
अभी सेकेंड जो ट्राइंगल है उसका एरिया क्या होगा हमारा? वी डोंट नो द हाइट, so it is half into 125 into h, which is equal to area is same. So पहले वाले का एरिया क्या था? half into 100 into 100. अभी क्लियर है? तो हाफ एंड हाफ कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So we have 125 into h is equal to 100 into 100. So h is equal to 100 into 100 upon 125. So when you cancel out this comes out to be 80. So your new height is 80. Okay, old height was, so height 1 was 100 and height 2 is equal to 80. How much we have reduced?
20%.
20%.
Very good. Now understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I understood everything, but only thing I didn't understand is you wrote in the previous slide, you wrote it as
What?
you wrote it as B2. That is the second base and second height.
Correct. Then
Okay, sir, that's what I was confusing.
okay. Has everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done writing.
Next question will be for homework. Okay, question number 6. Question number 7.
Sir, can we leave and join again because only less than 1 minute is left?
Yeah, leave and join. Thank you for reminding me.